Welcome, Yash.
ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడ సుందరయ్య నగర్ లో హై స్టాండర్డ్స్ తో అలా ట్రైన్ చేసినటువంటి ఎస్జేఎస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం యాజమాన్యాన్ని హృదయపూర్వకంగా అభినందిస్తా ఉన్నా.
For accepting our invitation.
Today we are conducting this science expo. Why? Because this is one of the good platform for the children to exhibit their talents.
Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Vaidehi. I am studying in UKG A section. Today my topic is places of worship. India is a land of different types of religion. Every religion has its own place of worship. Temple, Hindu worship in a temple. Mosque, Muslims worship in a mosque. Gurudwara, Sikhs worship in a Gurudwara. Church, Christians worship in a church. Thank you. Good morning, aunts and uncles. My name is Shanmukha Sayasri. I am studying in UKG. Today my topic is types of plants. There are 5 types of plants: herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and trees. Herbs, small plants are called herbs. Example: mint, coriander, spinach. Shrubs are medium-sized bushy plants. Example: rose and jasmine plants. Trees, big and tall plants are called trees. Example: banyan tree and coconut tree. Climbers are the plants which cannot grow up without support. Example: money plant. Creepers. Some plants which crawl underground are called creepers. Example: pumpkin and watermelon. Thank you. Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Risha. I am studying in UKG section. Today my topic is 5 types of plants: herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and trees. Small plants are called herbs. Example: mint, coriander, spinach. Big and small trees are called coconut, banyan. Thank you. Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Akshaya. I am studying in UKG A2 section. Today my topic is means of communication. There are various kinds of communication. There are newspaper, radio, television, and mobile phone. Newspaper, reading newspaper every day gives so much of information. Radio is a form of electronic media. It is not widely used in mobile. Television is an electronic device. Watching news channels gives some information every day. Mobile phone is used to contact with others and to know more information about social media. Thank you. Namaste, Auntie and Uncle. My name is Bhuvan. I am studying in UKG A section. Today my topic is means of communication. There are various kinds of communication. There are newspaper, radio, television, and mobile phone, post office, satellite. Newspaper, reading newspaper every day gives some information. Radio is a form of electronic media. It is not widely used in modern world. Television is an electronic device. Watching news channels every day gives some information. The mobile phone is used to contact with others and to know more information about social. Post office is a public facility that receives, processes, and delivers. Satellite is an object that orbits a large object in space. Satellite can be naturally and artificially. Thank you. Namaste, uncle. My name is Harshita. I am studying in UKG. Today, my topic is clock. The clock shows us time. It is very important thing for us. A clock can be long or digital. In analog clocks, there is an hour hand, a minute hand, and a second hand. There are many types of clocks: wall clock, table clock, alarm clocks. Thank you. Namaste, uncle. My name is Nanvita. I am studying in UKG section. Today, traffic lights are used to control the traffic injection. Here, three traffic lights: red, yellow, and green. Red indicates the vehicles to stop. Yellow indicates the vehicles to slow down. Green indicates the vehicles to go ahead. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruva. I am studying in UKG A section. My topic is means of transport. The four important means of transport are road transport, water transport, rail transport, and air transport. The road most commonly used transport while traveling. The example, auto and bike. The water transport is the transport which runs on water. The example, ship and boat. The air transport, fastest and most commonly used transport. Example, aeroplane, helicopter. Thank you, everyone. Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Humera Mahin. I am studying in UKG. Today, my topic is stop plastic pollution. Plastic bags are a major cause of pollution. Plastic bags are a non-biodegradable. They pollute our whole environment. They are very harmful to the living beings. Pollution has become the big problem of our planet. It is important to create awareness among people. They are root cause of many diseases. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Preetham. I am studying in UKG. Today, my topic is animals and their homes. Different animals are different homes. The dog lives in a kennel. The bird lives in a nest. The cow lives in a shed. The lion lives in a den. The goat lives in a pen. The hen lives in a coop. The horse lives in a stable. The monkey lives in a tree. The bee lives in a beehive. Thank you, everyone. Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Gasu. I'm studying in UKG A section. My topic is houses. Different types of houses. Igloo, made up of snow, with 10 polar regions. 10. Formed with glass, mostly found in desert. Mud dogs made from tongs and mud, made in villages. Hut found with blocks and glass, made in villages. Apartment, small houses in tall buildings, good in cities. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Auntie Uncles. My name is Geetika. I am studying in UKG. My topic is first aid kit. First aid is the treatment given to the patient in an emergency cases. In first aid box, curtain, bandages, antiseptic, painkillers, antibiotic cream, gauze pads, Dettol, sanitizer. Thank you, everyone. Namaste, Auntie Uncle. My name is Shishika. I am studying in UKG section. Today, my topic is currency deficits. A system of money generated in a particular country. For example, when they say currency is used for trade restriction. Indian rupee, Australian dollars, European euro. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is George. I am studying in UKG A2 section. Today my topic is countries and currencies. Currency definition: the system of money in general use in a particular country. National currency is used for everyday transaction. Countries currencies: India, Indian rupee; USA, dollars; Canadian dollars; European euro; Japan yen. Thank you everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Cecilia Kansangani, KJ2 section. Today my topic is ordinary numbers. Ordinary numbers are used to represent the rank opposition are known as ordinary numbers. Example for first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Good morning everyone. My name is Ayansh. I am studying in UKG. Today my topic is our neighborhood. The surroundings where we live make our neighborhood. The services are provided. This is a hospital. This is a police station. This is a school. This is a fire station. This is a bus stop. Thank you everyone. My name is Ayan. My brother's name is Supermarket. Supermarket is the place where people go to buy this in a collection of values of we visit market to buy cost and messages. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. My name is Vashini. I am studying LKG. My project name is Rainbow. A rainbow is caused by sunlight and atmospheric conditions. There are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Good morning, madam, sir. My name is Akshit. I am studying LKG. My project name is Zoo. Zoo is the place where different types of animals kept in public display. We can see different animals in the zoo. They are giraffe, zebra, bears, fishes, lion, elephant. Thank you. Good morning, Madam. My name is Lukutaj. I am studying in LKG section. This is our hospital. We provide medical care and nursing care. If you want any emergency, please call 108. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sita. I am studying LKG. Its name is Habits. Here are good habits we follow and up early in the morning. They should eat twice a day. Eat fresh. Take a bath daily. Eat fresh and healthy food. Don't waste food and water. I prefer an after eating or meal. Expect healthy eaters. Use dustbin. Thank you. Good morning, madam, sir. My name is Vinodna. I am studying in LKG. My project name is my school. My school name is Adric English Manor School. I love my school. My school has a playground and a garden. I study and play in my school. The teachers in our school are very nice. The principal of our school got the I love many curricular, extracurricular activities in our school. Thank you. Good morning, madam, sir. My name is Kuplashi Devansh. I am studying in LKG. Today my project name is healthy food, junk food. These are the healthy foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, milk. These are the junk foods. Chips, Lays, cool drinks, chocolates, sweets. Healthy foods are makes our body healthy and strong. Junks makes our body weak. You should always eat healthy food. You should always avoid junk food. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Riyasri. I am studying in LKG. My project name is Sense Organs. We have 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to feel. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Joshna. I am studying in LKG. My project name is sense organs. We have 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to feel. Skin help us to see. Thank you. Thank you, friend. Good morning, ma'am. Sir, my name is Lalita Slee. I am studying in LKG 80 section. My project name is Vegetable Markets. Every day we prepare food with different types of vegetables. Vegetable contains vitamins. Vegetable also helps to stay away from diseases. I eat vegetable daily. My favorite vegetable, potato. Leafy vegetables. Eating leafy vegetables is good for health. Example: spinach, curry leaves, mint, coriander. Thank you, madam. Good morning, Alman sir. My name is Lasya Ramani. I am studying in LKG A1 section. My project name is Vegetables Market. Every day we prepare food, different types of vegetables. Vegetables contain vitamins. Vegetables help us to stay away from diseases. My favorite vegetables, potato. I eat vegetables daily. My favorite vegetable, potatoes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jessica. My project name is Sunset Circle. It has no size and no corners. Example: ball. Kale. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Example: window, vacuum. Triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Example: samosa, mountain. Rectangle. It has 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Example: duster, bus, the blood. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Good morning, madam, sir. My name is Ishani Ragash. I am studying LKG. My project name is Seasons. Summer season, winter season, rainy season, autumn season, and spring season. Summer season is the hottest season. We like to wear cotton clothes in summer. Winter season is the coolest season. We like to wear woolen clothes in winters. Rainy season comes after summer season. We wear raincoats. Autumn season is the nails falling down. Spring season is the most pleasant season. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Good morning, madam and sir. My name is Tisha. I am studying in LKG. My project name is Natural Symbols. Now I am explaining some natural symbols. Natural flag, tricolor. Natural emblem, lion captain. Natural flower, lotus. Natural fruit, mango. Natural river, Ganga river. Natural flower, lotus. Natural pump. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Naivat Khan. I am studying the LKG My name is Sulicha. My project name is Film Festivals. Different religious people live in India. Different types of festivals. Some of them are. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pavitra. I am studying in LKG. My project name is How Helpers, Teacher, Policeman, Doctor, Postman, Sweeper. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Aishwarya. I am studying in LKG. My project name is sports. Hockey, cricket, basketball, sash, table tennis, football, cycling, karate. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Sonia. My name is Salman Sonia. I am studying in LKG. The project name is India Gate. India Gate was designed by Edwin Lutyens. The foundation of stone of India Gate was led by the Duke of in 1921. India Gate was built as a memorial Indian soldiers who lost their lives in World War I. I am studying in LKG A2 I am telling the project name is Transport. Progress, Congress, Good morning,
round of applause. Everyone, please give a big round of applause.
Namaste sir, my name is Shraddha Reddy. My name is Shanvita. We are from 5th standard. Today our project is structure of a heart. Heart is the continuous working muscle unlike other muscles. The heart starts beating from the second week of the intrauterine life till death. The specificity of the heart is its automaticity. That means that the heart is composing of the cardiac pacemaker. Because of this, the heart works even when the brain is dead. One of the most important vital organ in our body is heart. Without heart, we can't survive. So today we are going to tell about heart structure, its location, its weight, its shape and its functions. Let's start with shape. The shape of the heart is conical. The heart is well protected by the ribcage. Nowadays, heart attacks have become more common above the age of 50 years due to the high blood pressure. Blood vessels inside the heart get ruptured due to this high blood pressure. This condition is called cardiac arrest. Location. The heart is located in the middle of the chest, slightly to the left side of cardiac notch. The first hour of the heart attack is called golden hour. Treatment must be given in the golden hour, and neglecting the golden hour leads to life threat and risk. ECG, echocardiogram, angiogram are the common diagnostic methods used to know the heart functions. Every year on 29th of September has been celebrated as the World Heart Day. Weight of the heart is 50 grams in male, 300 grams in female. Female heart is lighter than male heart. Size. It is about the size of your clenched fist. If you clench your fist, that is the size of your heart. Now we discuss about the heart structure. Heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers which work together to pump the blood. It has 2 sides, separated by a muscular wall called septum. The upper 2 chambers are left atrium and right atrium. The lower 2 chambers are left ventricle and right ventricle. So I will keep muscular contact with specific pattern to pump the blood. I keep this. The right side of the heart receives the deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it towards the lungs. The left side of the heart receives the oxygenated blood from the heart and pumps it throughout the body. The heart beats about 72 times per minute. That means in 24 hours, the heart beats about 1 lakh times. The brain and nervous system directs to the heart function. Arteries. Red color blood vessels are called arteries. They carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the body. Veins. Blue colored veins is deoxygenated blood from body toward the heart. Heart has its own blood supply to pump the blood. In case of heart attack, we can save the person by applying a manual procedure called CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. During CPR, 100 chest compressions are to be applied on the middle of the chest, followed by 3 rescue breaths. This procedure improves heart contraction and cardiac output. Thereby, blood supply is re-established to the heart and brain. The common symptoms that are observed during heart attack are left side chest pain, severe sweating, anxiety and apprehension. The heart attack patient terrifies about death due to the shortness of breath. The patient with the heart attack may develop stroke due to damage to the brain due to lack of blood supply. Thank you for your valuable time. Namaste sir, my name is Shanvita from 5th standard. My project name is Human Skeletal System. Now we would like to tell few points about human skeletal system. Human skeletal system. The skeletal system provides structure to our body and produces the delicate organs inside. Ribs. The ribcage protects the heart, lungs and other internal organs. Consists 12 pairs of ribs. Pelvis. The pelvis supposes spinal columns and protects the digestive system, the uterus system and the reproductive system. Limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs, 4 limbs, arms, 3 limbs, legs. 4 limbs are attached to the shoulders and consist of the upper arm, the 4 limbs and the hand. Thank you for your valuable time.
Good morning, Professor. Myself, Judika from 5th grade.
Myself, Bijan from 5th grade.
Today we are gathered to explain our project about physical features of India.
Here we start about to explain our project.
Physical features of India. Himalayas, white. Thar Desert, brown. Peninsula Plateau, dark brown.
Coastal plains, light blue. Islands, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Northern plain, green.
Himalayas. It is a vast range of mountains that stretch across the entire north.
Thar Desert. Thar Desert is northwest of India.
Peninsula Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The Tripura and Minga separate the Peninsula Plateau from northern plains.
Andaman Nicobar Islands located in the west. Bay of Bengal located in the east.
Coastal plains are Norway ships that travel along the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal.
Thank you for your valuable time.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Hayat. I am studying 5th standard. Now, I like to introduce about punctuations. Here are some punctuations. They all a major play while use language learning skills. Full stop. We use full stop at the end of the statements, commands, and requests. Comma indicates a small break in a sentences. Question mark. We use question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. Colon. We use colon to introduce quotations. Quotation. We use quotation for to write direct speech. Hyphen. We use hyphen to join campaign words. Exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark is used at the end of the exclamatory sentences. Parenthesis. We use it to enclose information that gives clarification. Semicolon. We use it to join two minor independent clauses which are not joined by conjunctions. Apostrophe. We use it to convey that a person or thing on some things. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
Good afternoon, sir.